Hey, what's going on, guys? And in today's video, we're going to be looking at the Windows Task Manager. Now, if you don't know what the Task Manager is, the Task Manager is a very cool built-in tool to Windows. And what this Task Manager does is it kind of gives you an overview of your computer, shows you different specs and stuff, and it lets you have a look. And it mainly looks at what apps that you have open. So if you look at my taskbar, I have Chrome, Spotify, OBS, all that stuff open. So what Task Manager can do is, this is a free, by the way, this is already built into Windows, this is completely free. So how we're going to access the Task Manager is we're going to look, we're going to go to anywhere on our Windows 10 or 11 computer, unless you're using Windows 7, I think it's the same way. You just go to your taskbar, right click in a blank area, and we're going to have a few options. So we're just going to click on the one that says Task Manager. Oh. And the Task Manager looks like this. It's going to pull it up here. So if I just put this into full screen, now if you actually, now that we're in this, it's more easier to explain, but you can see here, it shows all my apps that I have open. So, and it shows me how much memory I'm using and my CPU. And if we go to over here to performance, we can get an idea of my memory, all my hard drives, my GPU. I have the RTX 3050. My CPU, I've got an i7. But if you go back to our processes, we can see here. So if you have apps that aren't like responding or they're just crashing out and you can't close it, you can simply come into your, like, right click anywhere if that's happening, come to the Task Manager, and then right click anywhere on the thing. So paint.net, you just right click and it has a little option, end task, or you can just click on that and then end task like that, and it will close it down. It's kind of like a forceful way to close things down if it's not working. So you can kind of forcefully shut them down, and it shows you all the background things that you got going on. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was useful in a way. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.